welcome back to yet another edition of As Told by Bree. I am, of course, Bree, and I'm checking back in with yet another video. And this time we are talking all things home decor. Every once in a while I like to do these home decor hauls, and I feel like I've accumulated enough stuff to be able to show you guys an extensive collection of things. I'm really excited to show you guys what all I've collected. So without further ado, if you're new here, make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get right to the video. Alright, so up first we have this marble tray from HomeGoods, and I got this maybe about a month ago from HomeGoods. And actually when I bought this tray, the handles were gold. So I actually spray painted these black, as you can see here, and it's like a lighter gray marble tint. It's so cute. I usually sit a couple candles on here. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And what's crazy is, even though I did paint the handles on that marble tray, I'm kind of growing out of like the spray paint phase of my life. I feel like I've been there and I've done enough of that. I would prefer to just purchase something that already comes in the right color rather than spray paint, because y'all know how spray painting can be. If you are a DIYer, you know how tedious spray painting can be. You gotta lay out the tar. You gotta make sure it doesn't fly away. You gotta make sure you have the right spray paint. Like, it's just a lot. You gotta let it dry overnight sometimes. It's just a lot, and I'm kind of over that phase of my life, so yeah. Moving along, we're gonna go ahead and get into the coffee table books. I did not realize that I was a collector of coffee table books until I sat down to do this video, and I was like, wow, okay, we actually have a collection. So let's get into the coffee table books. If you ask me, HomeGoods has the best coffee table books, hands down. So I think all of these, all of my coffee table books have come from HomeGoods, except for two of them, and we'll get to that. But this is one of my absolute favorites. It's an Aston Martin coffee table book, and y'all know I have a lot of like black and white, black and gray, so it's actually perfect. Sits on my coffee table in my living room. It's like perfect, and I stack them all on top of each other. But yep, it's from HomeGoods. Ooh, child, that's a lot of coffee table books. This one, apartment design and analysis. I usually choose my coffee table books based off of like the titles of the books, and then also the colors of the spines. I try to make sure everything is pretty cohesive and make sure that everything makes sense together. Because sometimes, as y'all know, if you're into decor, you know that sometimes things look good on their own, but when you bring things together, it gets a little weird. So that's that. And then I also got this one. This one is really nice. Also from HomeGoods. It's a James Bond coffee table book. And I'm pretty sure you can find all of these on Amazon as well. But yeah, I stack all three of these on top of each other. So I'll show y'all how they look stacked, if they were like actually one on top of the other, how they are on my coffee table. So this is how the stack looks. So you see it's very monochromatic, looks really good, and the one on top is the Aston Martin. We also have the monochrome home, which is also from HomeGoods. This one, I used to have it on my coffee table, but now it doesn't have a place at the moment, so I gotta find a new home for this baby. I gotta find a new home for it. But yeah, I want to get a stand. You know how you can have those like acrylic stands and kind of sit your coffee table books up like this, like open it up to a page, and yeah. But yeah, this one's gorgeous too. I actually got these from Rolex, and they were given to me for free. They gave them out for free in Rolex. So I have these two coffee table books. It literally says Rolex. I want to say this is the 2021-2022 collection, as you can see here. And yeah, it's literally just a watch book. It has a bunch of different watches in here. Yeah, it's classy, it's clean, has a nice clean look, and I mean, what else screams luxury other than Rolex? So if you're trying to go for more of like an upscale vibe, then I definitely recommend stopping by your local Rolex and picking up a free coffee table book. And they also gave me this free magazine as well that you can use as like decor if you actually wanted to. Alrighty, that is it for the coffee table books. That was six coffee table books. Okay, so now we're moving on to my cookbook. So I have had this cookbook for a while, and it's actually a funny story about this. So I actually bought this as a gift for someone for Valentine's Day. They're really big into like cooking. It's a chef. And the Valentine's Day plans got canceled. Yeah. Maybe I'll tell a story time about that one day. Anyways, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to keep this cookbook for myself. So, yeah, it's a Black-owned cookbook by a Black author, Chef J. Rob. Make sure y'all go check out Chef J. Rob if y'all aren't familiar with him. He is fire. Very, very fire at what he does. And I've had his food once at an event, and it was great. I have this cookbook stand. It's very, like, simple. All you do is just slide the book in there. I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, you have seen it plenty of times on my reels and on my stories. Like, it's pretty simple. That's from Amazon. Alrighty, so we're getting into glassware. Listen, I have a thing with glassware. I absolutely love it. I just love glassware. I love collecting glassware. I love looking at glassware. Like, I just love glassware, barware, the entire thing. So, first and foremost, we have this glass. So it's like this black ombre glass kind of fades to darkness on the bottom. Has like a smoky tint to it. And y'all will never guess where I got this from. I'm going to give you a second to try to guess, because you're not going to believe me if I tell you. Yeah, this glass, and I also have some larger ones, some longer ones. Like taller glasses. Dollar Tree. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree's glassware section, because baby, it's some gems over there, okay? And then I have this like marble. Well, it's not marble, but like marble-esque, like a faux marble wine glass or marble imitation marble. Anyway, it's a wine glass that looks like it could be a little marble swirl or something like that. This is from HomeGoods, and this was gifted to me by the guy that I'm currently dating. Yeah, so that's that, and the last piece for glassware, this margarita glass. This also from Dollar Tree. Like I said, don't sleep on Dollar Tree now. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Alrighty, moving right along. So we have this acrylic stand from Amazon, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over the internet. All of the girls have the acrylic stands. You can use it for a little bit of everything, whatever you see fit. I use it to organize and display my perfumes in my bathroom, and I always get compliments. Like, it's very cute, very cute. What else could you use this for? I don't know what else you would use this for, but I use it for my perfumes. So, yeah, Amazon, I'll link it down below. Anything from Amazon is definitely linked on my Amazon store, so I'll link the link to my Amazon store below. Okay, one thing about me, baby, I love, love, love sculptures. So, sculptures are just kind of like fixtures that you get from, honestly, any home store. And they're kind of like these abstract pieces that kind of just exist. But I love them. I think they're great filler pieces. I think they're great to go on like coffee tables, or to go on like an entryway table, or like on a bathroom countertop. I think that sculptures are just perfect. Like, and they add a really nice modern touch. I feel like they elevate a look. They make it a lot more sexy. I think they're very sophisticated if executed properly. So yeah, I love sculptures. Love. And this one is from HomeGoods. And it actually really looks similar to one that they have at CB2. I used to work at CB2, y'all. I used to spend a lot of time at that store, okay? But I don't work anymore. But they do have some sculptures in CB2 that are very similar. It's more of like a rust color. Well, let me not say rust, but more of like a... I can't quite think of the name of that color off the top of my head right now. More of like a copper tone, like that type of text, that type of color, but same concept, same in concept and design. Like, It's super cute. I love sculptures so much. I love sculptures so much that I have two more. Another sculpture that I found at HomeGoods. And sculptures aren't for everybody. Like, it's like an acquired taste, but it's my taste. So this is another sculpture, and it kind of sits like this. I know it's hard to visualize, but you just gotta see it with me, okay? You just gotta vibe with me when it comes to this. You can sit this on like a table, or you can sit it on really anything, a countertop, but like angle it, kind of like this. I know y'all are looking at me like, girl, what is that? But trust me, it makes sense. It makes sense. It definitely gives the room more of like a modern look, maybe even a little bit more masculine, especially given like the texture, the color. But just wait, just wait, just wait. Y'all are gonna see how I incorporate some of this stuff in my new spot. Oh yeah, I'm moving. Yeah. I don't know if I mentioned, but that last one was from HomeGoods. This is another sculpture that I have. It's like these links, this like link chain type of situation, also from HomeGoods. Love the texture on this. This also is a CB2 dupe. And like, you can't tell me this wouldn't be cute on a little table. You can't tell me this wouldn't be cute. Alright y'all, so lastly we have this candle from Naked Scents. So I've had this for a few months, and I have showed it on my channel once before, but you might have missed it. It was in a vlog. But yeah, I love this candle. I don't burn it super often. I really bought it for like the aesthetics of the candle, but it's like this concrete cement candle, very pretty. It's like a light gray mixed with like a dark gray tint. Smells good. I got the buttermilk. Yeah, I want to say I got the buttermilk fragrance. Buttermilk scent. And yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But yeah, y'all, that is all for today's home decor haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Drop some comments down below and let me know which piece was your favorite. Are y'all feeling the sculptures? Are y'all more of like the glassware type of girl? Are you a coffee table girl? Like, how are we feeling? Do we like the candle? Like, how are we feeling? What vibes are we feeling? Personally, me, what was my favorite piece? The one that I get the most use out of is my cookbook. I'm not even gonna hold you. I've been in the kitchen a lot lately, trying to be in the kitchen more. So I would say the cookbook, but aesthetically, I may have to go with the sculpture. One of the sculptures, the circular one. I've been liking that one a lot too. I put it on my coffee table, so that's my favorite. But I would love to hear your favorite, so make sure you guys drop that down below. Would love to hear from you guys. But yeah, I'm back and I'm better with more videos, and I'm super excited to be back on YouTube. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give this a big thumbs up. Of course, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I'll see you all in my next video. Later.